How to see Snapchat Wrapped. This tutorial shows you how to view your Wrapped memories and monthly recaps on Snapchat. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, tap on the search icon at the top and type in Snapchat in the search bar. Following that, tap on the Snapchat application from the search results. Now, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. If an update is available, tap Update. Moving forward, once updated, open Snapchat directly from the Play Store or from your home screen. Afterwards, you'll be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. In addition to that, look for the media icon or gallery icon right beside the Snap button at the bottom. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to your Snapchat Memories page. Subsequently, scroll down and you'll notice Snapchat has wrapped up your media sections organized by months, weeks, and memorable days. Moreover, these wrapped sections group your snaps and stories based on when they were taken. Afterwards, if you want to see all your snaps from a specific month, like February, simply tap on the February wrapped section. Then, all the snaps, videos, and stories from that month will appear for you to view and relive. Within this section, you can scroll through memories, save them, or share them with friends. Alternatively, you can also tap on weekly wrapped sections to see snaps from specific weeks. And that's it. If this Snapchat Wrapped guide helped you explore your memories, drop a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.